Forget those complex marketing agencies and expensive courses. In 2024, there are more ways than ever to make money online without breaking the bank. All you need is a phone or a laptop to get started. Ready to cut through the hype and BS? Let's dive into the proven methods that can help you make money online from zero. Making money online sounds sweet, right? Imagine being your own boss, working whenever and wherever you want. That's the dream. But let's set some realistic expectations first. This isn't a magical shortcut to get rich overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. Think of it like learning a new skill or building a successful YouTube channel. It requires time and effort. Now let's break down the methods that can help you achieve this. Ready? Let's go. Method number 1. Freelancing digital content for creators, making thumbnails. Thumbnails are the gateway to YouTube views. If you can create high-quality thumbnails, you'll be in demand. Top freelancers charge hundreds for a single thumbnail. If you can match their quality but charge less, you'll get more clients. Learning thumbnail creation. You don't need fancy equipment to learn this skill. YouTube is your best friend here. Search for how to make thumbnails and find tutorials for free and paid tools. With practice, you'll be making professional thumbnails in no time. Method number 2. Video editing. Video editing is a bit more complex than making thumbnails, but, the profit potential is huge. Freelancers often charge $500 or more for editing just a 10-minute video. Now, if you offer the same quality for $200, you'll definitely attract more clients. Learning video editing takes time, but the resources are all out there. You can use free software like DaVinci Resolve or Lightworks to get started. Watch tutorials on YouTube, practice, and soon you'll be ready to take on clients. Moving on to method number 3, reposting viral content on Instagram. Believe it or not, you can actually make money by reposting other people's viral content. Just find popular clips on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, download them without watermarks, and repost them on Instagram Reels. But hey, make sure to credit the original creators in your post descriptions. This keeps you out of trouble and helps you build a reputable account. Now, what's the best method to make money online in 2024? Content creation. Start with your phone. Many viral creators started just this way. Your phone's camera is enough to create engaging content. And what makes you different? Use that to your advantage. Whether it's a unique skill or an interesting perspective, capitalize on it. This is your unfair advantage. If you have a laptop and some time to spare, you might want to start with creating thumbnails and video editing. These methods can bring in quick money. Now, if you only have a phone at your disposal, I'd suggest going with the Instagram method. Start small and expand as you gain experience. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on one method, master it, then move on to another. And remember, don't give up too early. Making money online takes time and persistence. Beware of scams like stock trading schemes or courses promising quick riches. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to proven methods and free resources. Take Jabari, for example. He started making thumbnails with his iPhone and now has a thriving Fiverr business. He learned, practiced, and grew his skills. Now he makes $150 to $400 per thumbnail and gets multiple orders daily. Making money online in 2024 is more accessible than ever. With zero investment, you can start earning from freelancing, video editing, reposting viral content, or creating your own. Remember to set realistic expectations, focus on one method at a time, and avoid scams. Success takes time and effort, but it's totally doable. Ready to start your online money-making journey? Let's go! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment with any other ideas, and subscribe to our channel for more content.